We just got back from Florida. We went down there for our anniversary, and it was a good time. We had a nice hotel on the beach overlooking the coast and whatnot. It was sweet. But I'm gonna go get this golf cart. That way I can, instead of jumping in the truck to take the trash down to the end of the road to where our dumpster is, I just drive the golf cart down there. I ain't gotta fire up the truck, wait for it to warm up, or if Alyssa wants to run over to the neighbor's house and go hang out, she can just drive the golf cart instead of having to drive her car or walk. They live like almost a half mile away, so walking it's not out of the question, but it's just better to just cruise a golf cart rather than drive the car. So we're gonna go get a golf cart. You going?
Mm-hmm.
So we just got back to the house with the new golf cart. That ain't nothing fancy, it's just a little electric one, but the guy was basically giving it away, so we had to jump on it. We was down in Panama when we seen it and on the marketplace, but he still had it. I told him if he still had it, I'd come buy it today, and here we are. So now we got this little electric golf cart. He just put brand new batteries in it on October or November of 2020, so that's a expense I don't have to pay for a little while. But we drove it. It's got a flat tire, no big deal. Alyssa already took the dog out and drove her around. We're our old Husky, she likes to ride, and like the Rangers, golf carts, things like that. So she took her out and took her for a little spin down to the mailboxes and back, and she loved it. But it's not bad. They spray painted it black. I might actually do a different paint scheme with it, but it'll drive. Is that going?
Mm-hmm.
So it's going to probably be a little windy out just because it's windy today as it is. She's got them slicks on her. Hopefully she don't get stuck. There's some more of this trench right here. So I'm boiling up some chicken right here. Kind of standing in front of it, but boiling up some chicken right here. Fresh chopped some onions, chopping some celery. It's not fresh by any means, but we'll give the dogs a little treat real quick. Sit. Wait, sit. I would give Calla some, but she just spits it out. She ain't a veggie kind of girl. But making some of that chicken and dumplings right now. I'm gonna go outside. I got a little planter out there with some carrots in it. They didn't grow very far, but that's also because I didn't put a lot of soil in there. I got mostly hay. In there, and then I got like 2-3 inches, maybe 4 inches of soil. So I'll go pull those out and then bring them in here, wash them up so y'all can see what they look like. So let's see what we got going on out here. I just planted some, what do they call those? Onions over here, little scallions. I like to make ramen, and I like to top it with some scallions. And I put the scallions on my fried rice. What else is there? My corn chowder. If you got fresh scallions, just throw it on everything. Can't go wrong with it. But like I said, I ain't got too deep of some soil here, but there's some carrots in there. Let's see. I planted them. I didn't really plant them. Though it was windy the day I put the seeds in here, and they just kind of blew everywhere. So I just tossed the soil around on it, but we'll pull out a big cluster here. I lost one. Come here. Whatever. Got a couple carrots. At this rate, we're gonna need a bunch. That ain't too bad. A couple big ones, a couple small ones, but the dang stalks are stuck on everything. I just ripped out a bunch more. But we'll set them right here for now. Keep harvesting. Yeah. And I was talking to a guy at work today, and he was saying about these carrots too. I didn't really think about it. I just threw them in here. I didn't even know if they were going to grow or not because I didn't plant them when you were supposed to, but it's all right. They grew. But yeah, they're a tap root, so they'll grow if it's got the depth to grow because they're a taproot, kind of like a pine tree. So they just get wider at the top, shrink down, and the root just keeps on coming. But got most of them off of each other so I can get this bushel out. We'll get those out. These are small. I could tell they were small. There are a couple. Oh, that's a big one right there. But I don't know if I ever said anything about it, but I grew up growing watermelons and corn and all kinds of stuff in Arizona. Squash. What else we grow out there? Radishes. We grew all kinds of stuff. And I just ordered a bunch of seeds. Got a bunch in. This little planter here. This is my little touch from Arizona. My little garden. This is what we had in the townhouse. But so now that I got a little bit of property here, I'm gonna go ahead and plant me up a real garden out back and get growing. Oh, that butter lettuce, yeah, I forgot about that too. But I want to be able to go out there, you know, and pick me some vegetables. It ain't too bad. They're all small, but hey, you know, beats going to the store. So I've got a few here harvested up. Not a lot. They're all small, but hey, you know, at least, you know, I mean, not everyone can say they grow their own stuff. Granted, it ain't to the scale where I would like, but it is what it is for now. Let's go ahead and get in here. And yes, I've got some for the dogs. Cal, I don't like them again. Hey! Sit. Sit. Oh yeah, that was rough. Moose? William snorts or something. No. So there's what I got left. Let's put those in the fridge. Cut some up. And then that's everything all chopped up. Ready to go in. And we'll give you guys, I said, sit. Now we'll give you guys one more, oh, you're trying to shake it? But we'll give you guys one more treat. And we'll be done for the night. Let's see if you can catch. Sit. Sit. Let me zoom around. There we go. Oh! Well, it's fast. Moose. Oh, sit. Catch. Good boy. Little carrot. On your moose. So we're trying this dumpling, I guess dumplings, that Justin recommended. I've actually never even heard of them. And we usually just make dumplings from like pancake batter, but we'll go ahead and try them out. And they look weird, but I guess people rave over them, he said, out here. So we'll see what happens. Well, at least in Georgia where he's at. There's Willard. Willard, say hi. Willard's waiting for it to cool down so we can serve it up. Woo-wee! Look at that. I did a little less sauce in this one. Well, not sauce, but broth, I guess. But man, I bet if you put this inside of some puff pastry, like a pot pie, woo! Let me tell you, I bet it'd be good. I really don't care for these style dumplings. I like when you just use like pancake mix, waffle mix. But this is good, let me tell you. So we're driving back from Florida right now. I just met up with a guy. He bought my Power Glide transmission. Justin been in the ship right now. And I sold him that Power Glide, and he's a knife maker. And he made me a Damascus knife. Well, he had already made it, but he offered me that payment and this Damascus knife. So now I got me a new little chef's knife. Pretty excited about, so that's sweet. And I got something to show y'all when I get back to the house. Been talking about it and it's finally there, so I think y'all will like that too. Just got back to the house. Picked up a 0-turn. I actually traded a set of 243 LS heads for this. Needs a seat. Other than that, she's a runner. But I drove it around, mowed his grass a little bit. It's a little wet back at his house, so, but it still cuts. And I had a set of 243 LS heads I ported that I traded him those, and a, what do you call it? Trailblazer SS manifold. No throttle body, no injectors, or no rails, nothing. Just a manifold and the heads for the mower. So not bad in my books. But we'll get it unloaded and buy a new seat for it and have me a little mower. What is going on, folks? So like I said, when we get back to the house, I had a little treat for you, and here it is. I talked about it and I got one, and I got her ripping. What do they call that? Hardwood charcoal in there. We're gonna get it going. We're gonna do some steaks on it tonight, and should be pretty good. Our friend, her mother, so I bought it from her, and she had the, what do you call it, the whole grill itself, the table, a couple little things for it, like the grill spacer, and then she has got a cover for the whole thing, and then a direct heat blocker for if you were to smoke something in it. So that's going to be cool. And she got all kinds of little things, and she had the little CD for it. When I guess when you buy them, they come with the CD. But I made out. I think I did. A little dark out here, but boy, we got them steaks ripping right now. They look good. So once it goes ahead and finishes cooking, we'll go pull them in the house, and we got baked potatoes in there, fresh salad, and I think mixed veggies. I don't know, maybe just fresh salad and steaks and potatoes, but we'll see. So we just came inside, got these steaks right here, pulled off that big green egg. Never used them before, but trying to figure it out, get it all learned so I can start making other things in it other than just grill some steaks here and there, or some chicken wings or whatever it may be. But I got a lot of plans that I want to make in that thing. So these steaks, I bet they're it. He smells them steaks. I would want to come in here too if I was him. But actually it was Moose's birthday on the 25th. So he got a nice raw egg in his breakfast. A little extra love and some scratches. But come on. People gonna eat me up about petting the dog while I got some food in my hand. Come on, get out. Get out. I washed my hands, so it ain't a big deal. I ain't gonna touch it right now anyways. I actually just picked up this UWS transfer tank. It ain't bad. 100-gallon combo with the box. But it don't fit my truck. It's for a long bed, so that was a mistake on my behalf. It's alright, brand new pump. It'll find a good home somewhere. I do wanted one just for driving around, filling up the tractor and stuff, but it is what it is.